The instant suo moto writ petition has arisen out of a complaint dated 21st September 2025 received by this court from a senior citizen couple, senior citizen couple who have been defrauded of their life savings through a digital arrest scam perpetrated between 3rd September 2025 and 16th September 2025. The complainants have alleged that, don't say complaint, the victims have said that they were contacted by persons impersonating as CBI officers, COMID officials, and judicial authorities through telephone and video calls. The producers displayed forced orders of the Supreme Court through WhatsApp and video conferencing under the threat of arrest and property seizure based upon those false documents. The victims were coerced to transfer a sum of rupees 1 crore 50,000, 1 crore 5 lakh 50,000 through multiple bank transactions. Next, for the complainants have fairly disclosed that two FIRs bearing number 76 stroke 2025 and 77 stroke 2025 have been registered at the Cyber Crime Branch, Ambala, under sections 127(2), 3082, 3184, 336(3), 338, 342, and 61 in bracket 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanghita 2023, indicating a pattern of organized criminal activities targeting senior citizens. Next paragraph. Ordinarily, we would have directed the state police to expedite the investigation and take it to a logical conclusion.
See, information technology has no offenses be at different at name.
We are, however, aghast by the fact that the fraudsters have fabricated multiple judicial orders in the name of the Supreme Court of India, including one, a freeze order, a capital freeze order dated 3rd September 2025, bearing reference number F number EC stroke IRA stroke BZW BZO-1 stroke 02 stroke 2025, purportedly issued under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Arrest order dated 3rd September 2025, bearing 4 signatures of a judge, bearing the stamp and designation of an officer of the Directorate of Enforcement, Mumbai, along with stamp of uh, apparently a stamp, a court stamp also. Third, a surveillance order with forced judicial signatures. And fourth, various fictitious proceedings before the Bombay High Court and false claims of investigations by CBI and Enforcement Directorate. Next paragraph. The forgery of documents and the brazen criminal misuse of the name, seal, and judicial authority of this court or a high court is a matter of grave concern. The fabrication of judicial orders bearing forged signatures of judges strikes at the very foundation of the public trust in the judicial system besides the rule of law. Such acts constitute a direct assault on the dignity and majesty of this institution. Therefore, such grave acts of such grave criminal acts cannot be treated as an ordinary or routine offense of cheating or cybercrime. Next paragraph. We are also inclined to take judicial notice of the fact that the instant case is not the solitary instance. It has been largely reported many a times in media that such like instances have taken place in different parts of the country. We are therefore prima facie of the view that a stern action on pan-India basis with coordinated efforts between the central and state police are required to unearth the full extent of this criminal enterprise involving forgery of judicial documents and extortion stroke robbery of the innocent senior citizens. Innocent people, comma, most importantly, especially the senior citizens.
Cyber for extortion and arrests.
And arrest. उसमें add करो. We therefore deem it appropriate to issue notice to 1I, Union of India through the Secretary, comma, Ministry of Home Affairs, 2I, Central Bureau of Investigation through its Director, 3, State Haryana को बनाने पार्टी को हरियाणा का Haryana through its Principal Secretary, Department of Home. Next, Superintendent of Police, comma, Cyber Crime at Ambala. Next paragraph. Having regard to the manner in which such like instances, such like crimes are being committed, comma, we request the Learned Attorney General to assist the court. Next paragraph. The registry directed to forward a complete set of the complaint along with documents received to the authorities, to the notices, to the notices, and also entrust a complete set to the Office of Learned Attorney General of India. the state of Haryana and Superintendent of Police Cyber Crime Ambala should we say today so that we propose to transfer the university. Police Cyber Crime Ambala is directed to file the status report of the investigation that has taken place so far.
So as to finish, so as to finish.
And make sure that can be registered to comply with today itself and offering the